Common acronyms. OMG, oh my god. TV, television, by the way, day, end of day, Los Angeles. DJ, disc jockey. CD, compact disc. JD, Juris Doctor. IDK, I don't know. TBH, to be honest. NYC, New York City, aka, also known as BP, blood pressure, emergency room. European Union. DC, direct current. UK, United Kingdom. BRB, be right back. United Nations. Human resources. Laugh out loud. MP4 MPEG-4 Part 14. Do it yourself. VR, virtual reality. MFI, miles per hour. BMI, body mass index. To be announced. Ask me anything. POW, prisoner of war. POW, prisoner of war. Esmet, shaking my head. OS, operating system. Till today I learned. Bachelor of Arts. Public Relations. Machine Lerkensasning. AR, augmented reality. RNA, ribonucleic acid. MTV, music television. XOXO, hugs and kisses. ROM, read-only memory. IP, Internet Protocol. MPG, miles per gallon. MIR, missing in action. EQ, emotional quotient. Maryland, Doctor of Medicine. EKG, electrocardiogram. Physical education. One wide area network. TTL, talk to you later. CT, computed tomography. CNN, cable news network. A fake, as far as I know. Alternating current. LAN, local area network. IoT, Internet of Things. Not safe for work. MP3, MPEG audio layer 3. BS, Bachelor of Science. RIM, rapid eye movement. Frequency modulation. Fix that for you. Amplitude modulation. GPA, grade point average. kph, kilometers per hour. WWF, World Wildlife Fund. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Eli 5, explain like I'm 5. YOLO, you only live once. IQ, intensive care unit. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. INL, I am not a lawyer. IQ, intelligence quotient. ROI, return on investment. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. Business to business. Business to consumer. As soon as possible, as soon as possible. For your information. FOMO, fear of missing out. USB universal serial bus. LED, light emitting diode. RAM, random access memory. SUV, sport utility vehicle. Information technology. Disk operating system. DOJ, Department of Justice. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Pacific Standard Time. Department of Defense. Very important person. Eastern Standard Time. MLB, Major League Baseball. SMS, short message service. GDP, gross domestic product. Your mileage may vary. RPM, revolutions per minute. DVD, digital versatile disk. PHP, hypertext preprocessor. Thank God it's Friday. BYOB, bring your own bottle. LCD, liquid crystal display. FTP, file transfer protocol. AI, artificial intelligence. NHL, National Hockey League. VPN, virtual private network. Too long, didn't read. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CFO, Chief Financial Officer. PDF, portable document format. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. ACT, American College Testing. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. R&D, Research and Development. IAC, if I remember correctly. USA, United States of America. Automated teller machine. Anti-lock braking system. NFL, National Football League. IRS, Internal Revenue Service. Estimated time of arrival. GPS, Global Positioning System. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. ISP, Internet Service Provider. PM, Post-Meridian Afternoon. WHO, World Health Organization. GPS, Global Positioning System. Structured Query Language. SIMS, Subscriber Identity Module. UFO, Unidentified Flying Object. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Magnetic Resonance Imaging. SAT, Scholastic Assessment Test. Antemeridium, before noon. PTA, Parent-Teacher Association. Frequently Asked Questions. CIA, Central Intelligence Agency. IMF, International Monetary Fund. GIF graphics interchange format. ESP electronic stability program. MMM's multimedia messaging service. HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. FDA Food and Drug Administration. HIV human immunodeficiency virus. English as a second language. Graduate record examinations. DNC Democratic National Committee. OLED organic light emitting diode. LiDAR light detection and ranging. CPR cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Radar radio detection and ranging. ICC International Cricket Council. OCD obsessive compulsive disorder. Sonar sound navigation and ranging. ROFL rolling on the floor laughing. DEFCON defense readiness condition. PIN personal identification number. Personal identification number. PTSD post-traumatic stress disorder. ACLU American Civil Liberties Union. EPA Environmental Protection Agency. FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation. NBA National Basketball Association. International Olympic Committee. Save Our Souls distress signal. CRM Customer Relationship Management. BBC British Broadcasting Corporation. POTUS President of the United States MBA. Master of Business Administration. Application Programming Interface. JPEG Joint Photographic Experts Group. UNICEF United Nations Children's Fund. GOP Grand Old Party Republican Party. AIDS Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. NATO North Atlantic Treaty Organization. HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. USSR Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. HDMI High Definition Multimedia Interface. SCOTUS Supreme Court of the United States. IMHO, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. UEFA Union of European Football Associations. ADHD Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Répondez s'il vous plaît, please respond. PETA People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. ESPN Entertainment and Sports Programming Network. SWOT Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, Threats. OPEC Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. NASA National Aeronautics and Space Administration. STEM Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics. Scuba self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. FIFA, Fédération Internationale de Football Association. Laser light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. CAPTCHA, completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart.